Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add a footer to your Wix website in 2025. So, if you've been scratching your head wondering why your site doesn't have that professional-looking section at the bottom for useful links, copyright info, or social icons, don't worry, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not only how to make your footer appear, but also understand what's really going on so you can tweak your pages with confidence. Alright, let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to your Wix web design dashboard. This is your main control center. Think of it as the engine under the hood of your website. If you're already logged in, great. If not, go ahead and sign in at wix.com and choose the website you want to work on. Once you're in the editor, you'll see all your website elements organized and ready for editing. Next up, you're going to look for the Pages and Menus section. This is typically found on the left side panel of the Wix editor. Clicking here will show you a list of all the pages on your site, from your home page, about page, contact, whatever you've got set up. This menu lets you manage and customize each page individually, which is super handy if you want certain layouts just on specific pages. Now, we're going to focus on the home page first. Find Home in the Pages list. It's usually right up top. Hover your mouse over it, and you'll see three little dots appear on the right. These dots are more than decoration. They're your gateway to custom settings for this page. Go ahead and click on those three dots. If you've ever wanted more options for a page, this is where they're tucked away. From the drop-down, hit Settings. This will open up a settings menu just for your homepage. Take a second to let the panel load. It might take a moment depending on your connection, so don't worry if it's not instant. Here, you'll see general options for your page, and specifically, you're looking for something labeled Layout. Now, under the Layout section, you may notice it's set to No Header and Footer by default. What this means is, for one reason or another, maybe you chose a minimalist design template or toggled something earlier, your page isn't displaying the standard top and bottom sections. This is often used for landing pages, but if you want a consistent, professional look across your site, you'll want those headers and footers back. So here's the key step. Switch your layout setting to Standard. This tells Wix you want both the header and footer visible on this page. The change is immediate, and you'll now see your footer section reappear at the bottom of your home page in the editor. You can click into it, add your contact details, quick links, or social icons, whatever best suits your brand. And that's it. Just double-check the rest of your pages if needed, making sure they're also set to Standard, so your footer is visible everywhere you want it to be. Footers are like those friendly sign-offs at the end of a call. They wrap up your content, offer useful info, and make your site look complete. If anything didn't work the first time, reload the editor or repeat the steps. Sometimes edits need a refresh to take hold, so don't stress. And if you run into a unique template or custom code, drop a comment below and I'll help you troubleshoot. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button. Let me know if you have any questions down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Wix tutorials and web design tips. See you next time!